Hi, I'm Marie. Have you ever craved a dessert but just don't feel like spending a lot of time baking? Today, I want to show you how to make a single serving cake under 5 minutes. I'm talking about this microwave cake. It's delicious and easy to make. All you need is a piece of fruit such as a banana or some strawberries, plus a few basic ingredients from your pantry. This is flour, brown sugar, milk, egg, butter, baking soda, vanilla paste, and salt. The recipe is for an 8-ounce cake, so you need to use a mug that holds 10 or 12 ounces, leaving enough room for the cake to expand during cooking. Now, except for the fruit, we'll mix all the ingredients in this mug. Whisk to smooth out the batter. I have a medium-sized banana. We'll save 1/3 for garnish and dice the other 2/3 into cubes. I find that dicing the banana instead of mashing it gives the cake a fluffier texture. Now add them to the batter. I'm mixing the ingredients in the mug itself to reduce the cleanup job afterward. We'll cook it in a microwave in 2 stages. First, give it only 30 seconds. When it comes out, the batter has just heated up and not yet cooked. Stir it so that the cake will cook evenly. Now return it to the microwave for 1 minute more. To ensure the cake is done, the test skewer should come out clean. If not, give it a little more time. Depending on your cup size and the settings of your microwave, the total cooking time may range from 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes. If you like, garnish it with fresh banana slices. You can make this cake in any flavor you like, simply by replacing the banana with your favorite fruit. Here we go. This microwave cake is more moist than baked ones. It's best when served warm. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and would like to see more, please consider subscribing. I'll see you in my next video.